In this video, discuss software terminologies. Software terminologies. Uh, Number first software terminology lessons. Lessons software is the lessons given the right to use the software under certain condition but restrict from other uses such as modification, further distribution and rebuilding etc. Legal right of the copyright holder. Example of uh, license software include Microsoft Windows, Adobe Flash Player, uh, Adobe Photoshop, Google Earth, Skype, and WinZip etc. This is the license software. Second number, open source software. Open source software. What is open source software? Computer software which source code is also available to the user. It is lessons allows the user to study, change, improve, and at a time also distribute the software. Such software are often development in public manner. Example include Linux operating system, the source software provided. Third number, shareware. Shareware is also called trialware and refer to license software that is delivered to user without payment per trial user with limited functionality and for specific period after which expire. Such software are developed for the purpose the user become used to and it know for that whether it meet his requirement or not. They are often downloadable from the internet. This is the shareware software. Freeware. Freeware software. What is freeware software? The term freeware refer to the meaning free software. It is the computer software available to the user with no cost for optional fee, but usually with one or more restriction to the user like copy, distribute and make distributive work of the software. This is the freeware software. Number past five, firmware. Firmware software. What is firmware software? It is the term often used for the fixed small program in hardware, the control virus, uh, electronic devices. These programs were written in machine language and are permanently embedded in the hardware part which it is developed. Example of devices containing uh, firmware are ROM, mobile phone, digital camera, etc. All such devices firmware is used to enable the device's basic operation as well as implementing higher level function. Use cannot change such software by their own. This is the firmware software. This is the software terminologies. Uh, Next, computer hardware. What is computer hardware? Hardware as a physical component that make up a computer system. They include all electrical and mechanical devices attached to the computer or purpose of input process, storage and output operations. Four types of computer hardware: man, input, output, CPU and memory. Number first, input devices. What is input devices? Input devices are the extreme external hardware component that are used to enter to accept data and instruction into computer uh, for processing. Example include, for example, input devices: keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, touchscreen, uh, light, scanner, etc. This is the input devices of computer hardware. Output devices. Output devices are used to give result of processing to user. Example include monitor, printer, uh, speaker, etc. This is the output devices of a computer hardware. Input devices and output devices. CPU. CPU Central Processing Unit. It is the main hardware of every computer system. It consists of two parts: uh, control unit CU and arithmetic and logic uh, ALU, responsible for controlling system, while the ALU perform two types of operation, i.e. the arithmetic operations such as addition and subtraction, and multiplication, division, etc. is the logical operation such as the comparison, like greater than, smaller than, equal to. Memory, computer memory. This is the hardware devices. Uh, Computer memory is a semiconductor hardware device used to store data program for use in computer either on permanent or temporary basis, or program in the computer represented as a binary code written in the stream OS 0s and 1s. Each binary digit, bit or bit, has the capability to represent up 0 and up 1 per on RAM and ROM, a common example of computer memory. This is the computer hardware devices.